If you want to make games or other animated programs, you'll need to use blocks from the motion palette to move sprites around. Furthermore, you'll need to command sprites to move to a particular spot on the stage or turn in a certain direction. You'll find out how in this video. Scratch has 4 absolute motion commands. Go to, glide to, set X to, and set Y to. That let you tell your sprite exactly where to go on that grid. Now, you want to make the cat sprite and hit the fish-shaped target sprite at position X equals 200 and Y equals 150. The most obvious way to do this is to use the go to block. The X coordinate tells the sprite how far to move horizontally across the stage, whereas the Y coordinate tells it how far to move vertically. Another way to hit the target is to change the X and Y positions of the cat sprite independently with the set X to and set Y to blocks. You can make the cat slow down by using the glide to command instead. It's nearly identical to the go to command, but it lets you set how long the rocket will take to reach the target. You can't see the coordinates this time, so you don't know the sprite's exact position. If you had to tell the cat how to hit the target, you might say, move 3 steps, then turn right. Then move 2 steps. Commands like move and turn are relative motion commands. You can turn a sprite toward a particular direction, or heading, with the point and direction command. To choose up, right, down, or left, just click. You'll find the sprite's current direction in the sprite info area. Now that you know how directions work in Scratch, let's see how the relative motion commands, move, change X by, change Y by, and turn work. First, move the cat 50 steps. And change X by 50. Change Y by 50. Turn 45. Turn 45 in anther direction. Ready to take your coding skills to the next level? Subscribe to my channel for more Scratch tutorials, projects, and challenges. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment with your favorite part. Let's build a community of creative coders together. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to coding. So, keep coding, keep learning, and keep having fun.